Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Microsoft Edge browser customization and settings. And in this video, I will show you on how to customize homepage layout without any stress in your Edge browser. Let me show you how. The very first thing we want to do here, like for instance, if you have your homepage layout like this and you want to change it to a clean one, as the case may be, what you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on this setting icon. Go ahead and click on page settings, and this window here is going to pop up right here. From this option here, you can change to whatever display language you want right here. Okay, by default I put my own English language right here, and you can come to quick links right here. So you have one row or two row, you can switch to whatever row you like. Then open link in a new tab, make sure this is turned on. This will enable you each time you are browsing on the web. Once you click on any link, it automatically open in a new tab. Then from there you have more tab. Then you can work on each of the tab as the case may be. Then here show content, then show widgets. If you like to show widgets right here, you can turn this on, and then you have browse widget right here. If you want to turn it off, you can turn it off, and then on, off, on, off. You can see on, off. These are the widgets right here. The widgets like weather, the market, and Premier League, all sorts of that. Then you have feed on right here. Under the feed on right here, there are different templates you can use for your feed. Primary one here is full page. You can use partial, and you can use headings. Everything depends on what exactly you want to achieve. Now I have headings right here, and I have web browse widget at the bottom right here. Then we can scroll down right here. We can add, we can turn on background or turn off background as the case may be. We have a white environment right here. I'm going to go ahead and turn on background again. Turn off background, you have Microsoft as a logo right here. Turn it on, you have a kind of background right here. You can also click on edit background. This will allow you to choose different background right here as the case may be. You can also video settings, choose how video function based on your device and internet. So you can choose any other options right here. There are video background, so and so that. So for every video background, you see this camera icon here. These are animation video background, and it's going to be added. Okay, so we can click on change new background daily, so we can decide to allow system to choose different kind of background as the case may be. So I'm going to close this tab right here. So let's go back to setting page right here. So next one here is custom theme. So we can click on manage theme right here. So we have different color theme right here. So by default, I have gray. So we can choose another color right here. So let me take a look at this. This is green theme. So if you are satisfied with that, you are going to go. If you are not satisfied, I'm going to put it in this one right here. So let's go back to customization setting right here. So we have content settings, which allow you to see some of it, which allow you to choose some of the content you would like to have in your home feed. And then you have notification settings. If I click on manage notification right here, you can either get all notification by enable this, or decide to turn off some of the notification like sport. If you are the type that do not like sport of a thing, you can turn on sport alone. And then if you don't want to get notification from weather, you can also turn it off. However, everything depends on your browse nature as the case may be, and how you want the Edge browser to look like. Okay, so we are done. So let's go ahead and create a new tab right here. So this is the kind of tab we have right now. You can see the background has changed again. This is because I have already set it to change background automatically as often as possible. So you can see this place here, and we have a new background. So if I click on here to create a new tab, we have another background entirely as the case may be. It's that simple. So for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Edge browser, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.